So I'm getting some zip ties together, and that way I can lift up the control arm and then go around the upper control arm. I'm gonna go through these two holes right here, and then that way it's not dragging on the floor. Well, mission accomplished. I got the 69 Mustang pretty much centered where I wanted. And now what I could do is kind of focus on the welding that has to be done on the bottom and making sure that everything is all right. So it also frees space because I need to work on the dash as well. And as you could see, that's where it was cracked or rusted out. So I'm gonna fix that and then paint it. And then those are the braces that I got to clean up and then drill so that way I could weld them. And then I was messing with these L-beams that I found, and I'm going to add them to the subframe to make it a little bit stiffer. So it's going to go from the subframe onto the rocker panel and weld onto the floor. So kind of like in Bullet where they had the subframe connector to, or stiffener I should say, that went from the rocker to the subframe.